Have you ever clicked a button in your Angular application only to wonder why the component you expected to see didn't show up? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling how to display a component after a click event in Angular 4. I totally get it. You want your application to be modular and efficient, but sometimes it feels like you're stuck between a rock and a hard place. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges when trying to manage component visibility. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "How can I create an event on a click button that fires another component in Angular 4?" They mentioned wanting to toggle the visibility of a component while keeping part of it always visible. Sound familiar? If so, let's dig into this together and find a solution. So, what could be causing the confusion? In Angular, managing component visibility can be tricky, especially when you want to maintain modularity. We'll break it down step by step so you can understand how to achieve this effectively. And don't go anywhere. I've got a pro tip at the end that will help you streamline your component management in Angular. To begin solving this issue, the user should first modify the HTML to include a way to toggle the visibility of the component. This can be done by using Angular's structural directive, NEIF. Next, the user needs to define a property in the component class to manage the display state. This property will determine whether the component is visible or hidden. Now, the user should implement the toggle display method in the component class. This method will switch the value of isDisplayed each time the button is clicked. Finally, the user can test the functionality by clicking the button. Each click should show or hide the component based on the current state. Did you know? Angular was developed by Google and is used by many large companies for building dynamic web applications. It's a powerful framework that can help you create amazing user experiences. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user involves creating a product list where users can add items to their cart. They use an unordered list to display products, each with an Add to Cart button. When clicked, the product is added to the cart and a success notification is shown. The user defines an Add to Cart method that takes a product as an argument. This method updates the added product name and triggers a success notification using a notification service. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always keep your components modular and use Angular's built-in directives effectively. This will save you time and make your code cleaner. And there you have it. You should now be able to display a component after a click event in Angular 4. Remember, modularity is key in Angular development. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips and don't miss our bonus pro tip on enhancing your Angular skills.